Behind you, you've got an F-89, the fighter that we flew from the late 50s to early 60s, so from 58 to 61. It was an all-weather interceptor type aircraft, so it could fly day, night in the weather and do its mission in the weather, which was new for that type of aircraft during the day. So this one it's an old one that we found that was out at Edwards Air Force Base. And that's one of the mysteries that we're trying to figure out with this airplane, is the history of this actual tail number. We have to find all the parts that we have for it and make sure that we have those to put them back together. If we don't have them, we're going to make them, which making a part for a 60-year-old aircraft is kind of fun, but it's really good training as well for our team. Yeah, that really is a huge part of why we're doing this, that historical aspect of it, but it's bringing the community back in, bringing our retirees. I mean, that's our family lineage that we have out here at the South Dakota Guard. We always talk about being a family, and that's bringing some of those back. That I've got people that work on the flight line right now that their dads were working out here and their grandpas were working out here. So it's, you know, you've got everybody that works out here in the Guard is what it seems like. So getting those people back and into that family and inclusion into the modern day fight that we have now is, you know, this is a great piece to that. Like, the aircraft can't talk, but they can kind of tell their story with the other people and the retirees that you can get back to actually talk about that.